PyCon AU 2025 is held on the lands of the Wurundjeri Woiwurrung people of the Kulin Nation, and we pay our respects to their elders, past and present. Welcome to PyCon AU. So the bad news is this is the last day of the conference of PyCon AU, but the good news is that this is not the last day of PyCon AU. We have the sprints immediately after this. They're a different format. We don't have the conference talks. Instead, we have chill tables to sit around and work on your projects with some of the people you've been meeting in the last 3 days, the last 2 days and today. So if you've met people and you thought, wow, it'd be really good to sit around a table and work with them, Monday and Tuesday is your chance. Also grateful to you all for coming to Melbourne for PyCon AU, because I know it was hard to not go to Vienna for the World Tram Championships. Please respect the mask zones. We have some dedicated mask seating areas here, and over there. If you're sitting in that area, you must wear a mask. If you would feel more comfortable sitting near people who are wearing masks, that's the recommended place to sit. Helps keep everybody safe and comfortable. Speaking of being safe and comfortable, we have a safety team, and if anyone is making you or anyone else feel safe, unsafe, uncomfortable, or unwelcome, please phone them. Their phone number is 0431 597 233. That phone number is also printed on the back of your badge. If you turn it around, you will see it. The safety team all have red badges. It's also possible to ping @safety-team on Discord if you want to get in touch. They welcome big issues and small. You don't feel like it has to be an emergency to contact safety. This is someone's maybe a little uninclusive and I don't want to be the person to tell them to stop it. Safety team will do that for you. Let them know. You will also see people wearing the blue and the green badges for volunteers and core team. Anyone with a full color badge is special. Here's a map to show you where you are. And I know I'm repeating a lot of information you would have seen in the opening yesterday, but there are some people here for Sunday only. This map also printed on the back of your badge. Ballrooms 1, 2, and 3, you are here. It's one big room at the moment. During morning tea, we'll divide it into 3 smaller rooms. During afternoon tea, we'll split it again. Outside in the foyer is where you can get food, coffee, water, talk to our sponsors, find the toilets, and so on and so forth. All right, some notes about culture. There are some things we do not like to see at PyCon AU. We don't do that here. We don't trash talk other communities. We are here at a Python conference because we love Python. That doesn't make the other languages bad. So don't trash them. Don't assume that anyone's not a programmer. Some people get a lot of that. It's unfortunate, but we are all at a Python conference. There's a very good chance that everyone here knows Python at least to some degree from having recently started up to decades of experience, and you can't tell by looking who is who. We also don't make jokes at the expense of others. Please try to laugh with people, not at them. And if you see people who are doing these things that we don't do, the best way to address it, right at the top of the slide. Hey, we don't do that here. Call them in. If you're not comfortable calling someone in, safety team. All right, speaking of culture, we have a page on our website about our culture. On that page, we explain some of our in-jokes. You'll hear a lot of references to things. This conference has been running for quite a long time. A lot of people have been coming for quite a long time. We've developed a lot of in-jokes, and we explain some of them on the website. So if you find that something keeps coming up and you want to know what it means, it might be there. If it's not there, you are welcome to send us a pull request or ask us to document it ourselves. Our website's up on GitHub. We have marked our restrooms as gender-neutral restrooms. Some people are more comfortable knowing that nobody can tell them they're in the wrong bathroom because there is no wrong bathroom for them. If you would prefer a gendered bathroom, there are men's, women's, and also the accessible bathroom is downstairs near reception on the ground floor. That's where it is if you need it. We provide some supplies in the bathrooms. We have our bathroom baskets, basic things, pads, tampons, deodorant, things of that nature. We all have bodies. Sometimes our bodies have needs. It's unfortunate and annoying, but we just have to know how to deal with it, and our baskets are there to help you. Take what you need, leave some for others. If something needs restocking, let us know, and we will stock them up. Here's the Wi-Fi. Everyone knows what Wi-Fi is, so I'm just going to talk for about 30 seconds to give enough time for anybody who needs to scan that QR code or take a photo of it to do so. I don't see a lot of people pointing their cameras at the screen, so I might not have to talk as long today as I did yesterday. I think I'm good. That's the Wi-Fi. There's also more printouts of this about the place if you didn't get it just now. We have a Discord. The link should be in the same attendee email that has your ticket. You are encouraged to join the Discord. It gives you an online space to talk to other people you've seen today, and also to people who are joining us on the live stream. It's a great place to catch up. There's a lot of organizing of social events happens there, as well as a lot of running commentary and questions about talks. Yeah, the link to join's in your ticket email. We have stickers about the place, communication stickers to show your communication preference. Traffic light system, green if you're happy for people to just come and chat to you. Yellow if you would prefer that people don't approach you, but you're happy to approach them. Red if you're just really ready to have a quiet sit down. Those stickers are reusable, peel them off, replace them. Your preference is likely to change around the day. Some people turn up energized and run out of energy. Some people turn up nervous and warm up later. Whatever way it is, if you want to wear a sticker, that'll give people a direct cue of here's whether I would like to talk or not. New stickers this year, we also have some I'm hiring or I'm looking for work stickers to help people who are looking for jobs and people who are looking to fill positions find each other. We have pronoun stickers. Your pronouns are printed on your badge, but sometimes you want to try on some different pronouns for the day or missed out on getting them printed on your badge. Use a sticker to add them. Right, that's the main stickers. We also have the conference art on stickers. It looks fantastic. Let's talk about some rules we have to encourage meeting new people. So here's the Pac-Man rule. You're familiar with the shape of Pac-Man, kind of a circle with a wedge cut out. So when you form a group of people to have a chat, leave a space. Leave Pac-Man's mouth open. You know, stand in a group, but leave a little room where somebody else could come and join you, where they wouldn't be eaten by Pac-Man. They would instead become part of the circle, where they join Pac-Man's body and open up a new space so that more people can join you. We like to make it easy to start conversations here. If you see a group of people standing with a space, you could just walk into that space if you would like to talk to those people. That's why we do it. We also have the snowball rule. We encourage you every day, meet as many new people as the number of PyCons AU you've been to. If this is your first PyCon AU, congratulations, you've done it because you talked to someone at the rego desk to get your ticket. If this is your 10th PyCon AU, try to talk to 10 people today who you don't already know. We like to welcome new people into the community. If you don't exclusively talk to the people you remember from last year, otherwise the new people are all going to feel excluded. Reach out, say hi. Other ways to find people to talk to are our birds of a feather sessions. They say birds of a feather flock together. So we have self-organized sessions for you to find the kind of people you want to talk to for whatever reason that is. If you're looking for the LGBTQ people here, or the people who have traveled here from Perth, or people who have come to Python but are more into team leadership than programming, Birds of a Feather session, great way to organize it. There is a whiteboard near our rego desk where you can write a time and a meeting place, say, for where you would like to get together. There's also a channel on the Discord where you can post so that you can let everybody know that you want to meet like-minded people and here's where and how. The other side of that Birds of a Feather session whiteboard is the jobs board. Are you hiring? Write your email address on there with some details about what you're looking for. Are you looking for work? write your details on that board so that you can, with what sort of skills you offer. There is also a job board channel in Discord. It's encouraged that you post in both on the whiteboard and in the Discord for the job board and for the Birds of a Feather sessions. This is because not everybody is on Discord. Some people don't like it, had trouble joining it. Not everybody is here in person. Some people are on the live stream. Yeah. Lost and found. If you lose anything, ask at RegoDesk. If you find anything, take it to RegoDesk or let a volunteer know that you would like it taken to RegoDesk. RegoDesk is the place to lose things and find things. Mostly find. Try not to lose things at RegoDesk, although it does save us the trouble of moving it there. T-shirts. If you got your order in early enough, you got to order a T-shirt with your conference ticket. So today being the last day of the conference, this is the last day to pick up your T-shirt. So from morning tea, if you ordered a T-shirt, you can pick it up. You will need your ticket. That's the QR code in your email. From lunchtime, if you have already picked up a ticket and realized, oh, I got the wrong size or the wrong shape, you will be able to swap it with whatever stock we happen to have available. It's not guaranteed we'll have the size you want, but we will do our best. From afternoon tea, all leftover T-shirts are now spare shirts, and you are welcome to them. If you go to the RegoDesk at afternoon tea and are one of the first people there, they will just be like, what's your size? Here you go. No need for a ticket anymore, no need to have registered in time. T-shirts for all from afternoon tea. All right, let's thank our sponsors. We could not do this without sponsors. Our tickets would be much more expensive. It wouldn't be possible to run a financial assistance program, and so we would like to give a big thank you to them. So let's have a round of applause for our platinum sponsor, Valky. Thank you very much, Valky. Our gold sponsors, Snowflake and the Python Software Foundation. Our sponsors, Google, Elastic, AWS, Planet Innovation, Kraken, Electron Workshop, and Linux Australia, who we operate under the auspice of. Thank you very much. Now, while we're talking sponsors, I would like to welcome Nigel Brown to the stage to tell us a little bit about Valky. Nigel, thank you very much for coming up. Take the microphone.
Thank you for having me. Good morning. What's up, y'all? How you doing? Good? Oh, a couple responses this early this morning. You must be feeling pretty great. How many people have heard of Valky before? Show of hands. Okay. Not counting you heard about it when you got here and saw Valky plastered all over the walls. Okay, great, great. How many people are using Valky? Significantly fewer. Let's see what we can do about that. My name is Nigel. I'm a developer advocate for the Valky project. The most common question I hear when people come up to the booth is, what does your company do? Valky is not a company. Valky is an open source project. I don't have anything to sell you. I just want to tell you about what we do. So Valky was created out of necessity last year when a very popular key values data store changed their license to make it no longer open source. It was synonymous with caching, and the community was quite upset by that move, and so they decided to fork the project and create Valky. So Valky is a hard fork of the Redis project, and it runs faster, it runs better, and it is more memory efficient. The community has done a lot since the fork to make sure that Valky is the best in class for your workloads. As a demonstration of that, I have a Raspberry Pi back at the booth that I hope to see you all at later, where we're running Valky benchmark, and we're getting about 1 million requests per second that Valky is able to handle on our Raspberry Pi hardware. So extrapolate that to your hardware and imagine what you can do. Speaking of Raspberry Pis, we have one Raspberry Pi that's there that's just for giveaway. Come get a ticket at the booth. I'll give you a raffle ticket. We'll raffle it off around 3:30 today. I believe that's correct. And I have another Raspberry Pi 16 gigs of RAM that we're holding back for someone who is enterprising enough to create us a beautiful Python demo using Valky. So if you create us a demo and yours is determined to be the best one that we receive, we have a Raspberry Pi there for you as well. So we want to thank you all for allowing us to be here. We love sponsoring conferences and being in a place where people care about open source, because open source is what we do at Valky with the Valky project. Thank you so much.
All right, a big thank you for Nigel and for Valky. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for sponsoring PyCon AU. It means a lot to us. So, a couple of more announcements. Our workshops are sold out. Our workshop tickets are, our workshop is running on Monday. If you ordered a workshop and went, oh, free workshop, I'll order it, and didn't realize at the time, oh, that's on Monday and I'm not going to be here, or if you can't make it anymore, please let Rego know. You will have also, everybody who registered will have received an email, so check your email. That will let you know that, oh, you registered, so you need to tell Rego if you're not going to be there. That will allow us to make sure that other people who are able to be there get to be there. Yeah. Lightning talks. How good were the lightning talks yesterday? They were good, weren't they? Yeah, lightning talks, love them. 5 minutes, talk about anything, submit via the online form. You have until roughly 11 a.m., maybe a little after if you're lucky. 11:15, we'll see. The earlier the better. Submit your talks via this online form, this QR code now on screen, also printed out. You'll see it about the conference. Yeah, it's on the Discord. If you saw a lightning talk on Saturday and went, hang on, I need to respond to that, submit the talk today. Get up on stage, do it in front of everyone. It's fun. Development sprints, that's what's happening on Monday and Tuesday. Board at registration. Yeah, if you want to come again on Monday and Tuesday to join the sprints, now's a good time to buy a ticket, if you haven't already. Reminder for speakers, you should be in the room where you are speaking in the meal break before your talk. And then you should stay in your room until you have spoken. So if you are talking just before lunch, you need to be here during morning tea. If you're speaking just before afternoon tea, you need to be here during lunch. Yeah, please don't go, oh, I really want to watch a talk in a different room, I'm going to go and do that and then check in later. That will stress all of us out, and we are stressed enough already. Right. Now, our speakers all need introductions. There was one slot left to be a session chair. So if you want to be a session chair and be the person who just introduces each speaker and helps facilitate questions for them, scan the QR code, give us your details, and we can sign you up. There was only one slot left though, so you want to get in quick. All right.